Sunday morning, and I just had some doubles. I suppose I have a team here. Everybody ditched me. Everybody left late last night. So I'm gonna meet up the rest of the team, and we're going and make a little hike, a little small hike, right? So here we roll. So we stop off in Marcus, we waiting for the next crew. Them boys in the back there. Marianne dog in the back there too. Alright, and we just taking our walk here, we got a little something to drink there. So we just going on taking the water here and we're moving again. Good night,
Good night, villagers.
Yeah.
Asked to announce the death of the guy in the hammock, Soti.
Morning. So we heading to Avocat Waterfalls. The men and them totally in the cooler there. One of the biggest cooler I've ever seen.
Yes.
Right? And we outside. Let me go.
Sorry.
So if you're coming in here, Avocat Waterfall, what's in the back here? A big tree fall long. So I don't know, you're walking, right? Walk up the hill in the back there. Come down, take your time. You could also pass through between the trees. I pass through there. If I could pass there, anybody passing there. So we're going again. Avocat Waterfalls reach. Look at this beauty. That's all here in my bar. Very nice. Here the team. Alright, everybody in the back there. Just looking for a little spot to settle in. And we're going to drink something. Get in this water here. So here with the team, right? Everybody chilling, right? Waterfall nice. Yes, vibes in here. What's your vibes in? Right? All you gonna see yourself on YouTube. Say yo.
What's up, YouTube? What's up,
About 10 of them talking at the same time. We can't pop that. waterfall on top there, right? We was chilling here, so them boys and them now reach back. I watch them dancing and them know them going on YouTube, you know. Watch us next time in the back there, right? So we finished, we done lime, we were head out, got a bacon shack, get something to eat, and we go on. Come back down the road, right? We stop off in Maracas and we had a little bacon shack, right? And we all got back our vehicles and stuff and we headed home. So it was nice. Avocat Falls was nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe.